Hi, I just want to share this oddball idea of bending thin wall aluminum tubing. So I'm currently trying to make a wingtip for the new version of Levitator, and it has been challenging to bend thin wall tube for the previous version, but they were so small in diameter, those tubes, so I could bend them by hand pretty much. But now I'm going up a little bit in size, so that becomes very difficult. So I just came up with this idea to have a Kevlar string, or it's actually 4 Kevlar strings or small ropes passing through the tube, and then I have a winch on the other side there, so to speak, pulling the tube from inside and forcing it to adapt to a new shape. And I was really curious to find out if this would work, because it felt like it had potential. It should lessen the risk for kinking on the inner radius there, and to my surprise it actually works, and it works really well. I only so far tried this diameter. It's a 20 millimeter diameter tube, 1 millimeter wall thickness, but I think this has potential to scale up and scale down for that matter as well. But I'm especially interested in scaling it up, so I would like to try that later on. But for now this will do, because I only need to have this fairly small tubing for this machine. And here I'm just adjusting to make sure that it bends equally much on each side there. So this is an interesting concept, and you can see that I don't have a perfect shape to bend the tube around, so of course there will be small kinks since there are separate wooden blocks rather than a continuous bend there, but that could easily be fixed. I just put this set up together quickly just to try out the basic concept, and it works very well. So I have to the radius there that I'm bending it around is 80% of the actual radius, so the tube is flexing back 20% or so. So I think I have like 83 centimeters in diameter, 830 millimeters, and the tube then when it's released stretches out to 1040 or 104 centimeters in diameter. So I did a previous attempt to calibrate the setup, so 20% smaller radius there seems to be optimal for this tube size. Of course it will vary with wall thickness and the tube diameter, but for this setup it works fine. So that will be my starting point when I'm scaling things up another time. Okay, so I just wanted to share this technique. I haven't seen it before, so I just wanted to show it for others that might have the same need. Okay, bye.